Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important. This body is designed easily and clearly, and this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is designed here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is this is a perfect, and this is 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is 6.5 millimeter. Drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane. Line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and relation is this is a tangent, and and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base and going to this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this, okay, this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut is a 26 millimeter 26.2. Okay, and this is a okay. All is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon is very important. And this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a, okay, this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this. And okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct. Okay, and next is very important, and going to this 45 degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45 degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line is a this to this. Okay, and this is a perfect. And dimension is a this to this is a 45 degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45 degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide. OK, and select this sketch normal. OK, this is a perfect, and select a normal. OK, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane sketch normal. Okay, and right plane is better. Right plane sketch normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line, connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect, drag a circle. Circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3. and select this line to this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct, and this is a this length is a this is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect. All is correct. And again select revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this use a 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and 12 millimeter is better. Okay, 11 is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3 millimeter is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 millimeter, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface, this is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here, and okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane, sketch normal, and some use a center line, center line to this okay. A circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, diameter is 3 millimeter, radius is 1.5 millimeter, and distance is a 12 millimeter. And revolve boss base, use this and click OK. OK, and click OK. And this face sketch, and use a chromium and click OK. And again select this brush, click OK. And this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 millimeter, and this to this chamfer, and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is a correct. All point is discuss here one by one, and thread is apply, length is 10 and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is a select this, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7, and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is a mention here is correct. And this is a use a 45 degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body is design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily. And to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here. And all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here. And this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay, Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is very important, and this use going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is this center to this distance between 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is use equal. Okay, but this point is connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already select here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice. And this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click a both circle is, press a control button, is this both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a, this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a user. Okay, okay, and next is a, this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit, and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body, click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. And this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a, this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane, and okay, a top plane is select, and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line, and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw of select a polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra, is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction. And this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this 2 circle. Okay, and all 2 circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this line is also tangent, connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a okay, this line is delete here, and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected, and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter, this cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use a this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter, 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter, and 72 millimeter, and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter, and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined, because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct. But some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK, and extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and perfect and correct. And next is a use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing a this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect, and one point is missing here. This is use a fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch. A line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this okay. And some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point, drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face, sketch, and drawing a this, and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line. Line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select a this, and also connect. Select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to okay, this line to this. Okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this. Okay, okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter. Okay, okay, but this use a inward, but use a this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect. Okay, and some use a fillet. Fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, 98 okay, not connect here because this is a use a not a okay. Okay, undo, and some line is a this a use a okay. This line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a okay, this is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here, delete here. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here, this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and also and fillet is used. Okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter. Okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more. Okay, 36. Okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two. This line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a okay. Okay, this is use this. Okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect. Okay, this also delete. Okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a okay, this is okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some okay, this is perfect and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy is both is this, and select a line and draw a this, okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a, okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this and use a this, okay, because and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important. And exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a, okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this select here, and use a first second both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine use of insert and feature. I'm going to combine and also use this and select this to all is added here, and click OK. All body can OK added here, and click OK. Unable to create, okay, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1 and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this and also use this 1 by 1 because this is not use a multiple. Click OK, and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this. Okay, and okay, this use this edge. Okay, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here, and okay. Okay, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK. And also this face is select here and use this face, click OK. And this face and this face is okay. and last is a remaining. Click this face. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a okay. Okay, all is perfect looking here. And okay, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.